Hey, what's up guys? Welcome again to my new update video. Today I wanted to share with you one of the very useful technique in divergent and convergent trading. I think a lot of you have heard about this, but I want to show you as well that this technique can also apply in binary trading, whether you are trading actual option or volume trade. You can apply this technique as well. We call divergent, convergent. So what that mean? Divergent. What that mean? It means that the price chart over there that we are seeing, the candle by candle moving on the screen. So this is called price chart, and then we compare our price chart with our indicator RSI, MACD, or CCI, or any index indicator that's showing the graph. You can compare that as well. Let me show you in action. Let me draw the line. And what does that mean? Divergent, convergent. Divergent, convergent is something, when you see on the price chart, for example, like this point to this point, below, when you draw below chart, right, like that, so I can show you. So this is called a bullish divergent. When the trend of these two lines, they are in the same directions, it's called convergent. But once the trend, they are going in a different direction, one going up or one going down, or one's going on the top going down or going up, then it is called divergent. Divergent is something going in a different direction. We call divergent. It's pretty easy to recognize. Maybe it takes some time. For example, let me show you this one and this one. One you see that it's one going up, one's going down here, and then one's going up like that. So this is called divergent. Then you can trade on the next candle, on a bear. This is called bearish divergent, this one, or maybe you can trade like two trades, 1 minute or 2 minutes, it really depends. But this is, I use a 1 minute candle chart, so you can trade in 1 minute as well. So this is called divergent. And convergent is something like, they look the same, like from one to the other, they in the same direction. Okay, remember when I draw those lines? When I draw on the top of the mountain, so as I also, you need to draw on the top of the mountain as well. So if I draw on the bottom of the mountain, when I draw on the bottom of the mountain, like that, the mountain of the wave price chart, right, the bottom of the mountain. So when you draw the top, you must draw on the bottom of that waving price chart or mountains, whatever you are calling. This is called, okay, let me put the bullish divergent, okay, when you draw below there, we call bullish convergent or divergent. But this line, these two lines should run in a different direction if they are going on up the same direction like that. So it is not a divergent. And this is called bullish. And let me put on the red one, the bearish. The bearish will be on the top here. So you can see that top. So this is not divergent because they are on the same direction. Let me find divergent, if there is any divergent around there that I can show you and I can trade. So this is not divergent anymore. Let me go into gold. Maybe gold have something. Nope. Bitcoin. Hi guys. Yeah, I found one. It's an uptrend. It is a 5-minute trade. It's fine. So let's do our analysis on our divergent convergent right there. From here to there, and from here to there. So you see this two price running in a different direction. So one's going up and one's going down. So this one showing an up, and this one showing a down. So when these two price chart are running in that different direction, we call that divergence. Okay, this is we got one divergence. Let's trade on this one after this one end. Actually, we should trade on 1 minute, but they give me 5 minutes. That's fine. I think we're still seeing strong up direction. Let me put a support here. Not able to break down. Let me go and up like this one. So 5 minutes going up. So when I found when I find one divergence like that, is normally it will push the price onto the bullish. Let me draw again just to show you. This is a bullish divergence, very beautiful. So if they have like 1 minute trading, that will be a beautiful 1 minute trading, 1 minute in profit. But I don't have 1 minute trading on Litecoins, so they offer only 5 minute trading duration on that one. Okay, let's wait if there is any rejection, down, back, or what, because they already break. I think broke that resistance so well. Then we will go on to the next trade. Let's show you two trades. I want to find out, how many percent when we are using this technique. Okay, we're done. We are in profit, $40 up more. Okay, let's find out more at the market if we can find any divergence or conversion. Yeah, I think Asia, very interesting. I'm waiting for this to reject on that resistance level, and I see the pattern of divergence up there as well. It's really good. You can see this one. Let me draw this one to this one. I want us to reject back down, and we draw that to that. It's a down direction, and there's an up direction. So let's ready for this rejection, and then we going fall. Finger crossed for that strong rejection down there, and then we're gonna go fall after we see this pattern of divergence. Okay, pretty cool. I think this is going to reject back. No rejection. No rejection, you don't go because we don't rush. It's still a signs of divergence up there, okay? You still see the signs of divergence up there. There's nothing to be rushed about because the sign is still good. If this get even higher, it's still a good one. But if this one reject back down, that is another level, once it's a reject. So I expect to go around this price area and then fall back. After the price is falling back, then we can following our technique divergence, because it's always fall back more than one candle. It's after we see everything good, see, divergence is mean something, the price chart looking into a different direction, but the index chart they are looking into a different direction. Okay, we got rejection up there, pretty good. So it was really good for our entry. The entry around the rejection level is a good one, around this one. Okay, reject back. Or what? I want this one to be a bearish candle before we going down. Bearish. Are you going to be bearish or bullish? So bullish is it's not a sign to go on bearish divergence just yet. Okay, it's a strong signs of down. Is it going to be down or what? I'm waiting for the down signal. If I don't see it, I'm not gonna go. So trading on divergence is about patience as well. You needed to wait for it to create the right moment. It still look divergent to me. Even this one getting even higher, but this still low. Very good divergence. if this get up even higher, then this even called a better divergence. So in my opinion, so I want this to be a bearish. Get to the bearish, then I can go on to the next. So wait. Maybe it's gonna change, not to be not divergent anymore. If there is no bearish candle, so do not enter your entry. Don't put on the down just yet if you don't see any bearish signs. Wait for the bearish signs to come, and then you go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, a little more. Yes. No, still going. So we can, maybe this can be like moving even up higher, and it's not gonna be divergent anymore. Still, because it's still lower than the red line, because we see this one is higher than the red line, but wait for the bearish sign, to come, guys. They're not in a hurry. So this still divergent to me, but I wait for the red signs to happen. Okay, that's a good one. So this one gonna be the red signs, the bearish sign. So I don't want it to get in higher. Just stay around that price and fall. So when this price fall, it's a signs of reversal, because it's get to the form of divergent, and we got bearish sign, and it's not making any higher than the previous candle. But if the candle making the record even higher than this one, so it's not divergent anymore. So look at our RSI here. Okay, this is getting higher. So it's not divergent anymore. Okay, wait for that. Yes. Yes. Okay, let's go. Boom. 1 minute. I think it's gonna fall for 2 candles more. So after this candle is falling, then it can be confirmed of divergent entry. Are you coming? Because if we wait for this one to get even higher, so it's not gonna be a divergent signal anymore. So I'll just get my entry around there, so it will be closed in 30 seconds. So I hope for this to get even lower than this one. It's a sign of divergent already. That's why I get my position ready when I see the signs that the candle going to be bearish. But we are pretty close to losing as well. The price get rejects, and then it's got another hammer. Gonna fall back in 9 seconds or not, or it's gonna reject back. Yes, good. Yes, good. So we are in profits, guys, because so when we get this bearish signs, so everything is complete, everything is confirmed. Our divergence trading techniques. So the best, you can wait for this candle to happen, the bearish, and then you can get your entry onto this candle. The first 2 candles gonna be bearish, for sure. I think like 80%, let's say 80-90%. So after this one confirmed bearish sign, and then you get your entry ready. So once you are seeing this divergent signs happen in the market, so it's one of the very useful technique in binary trading. So that's it, guys, for today. I don't want to be this long video, but because we are waiting for the signal a little too long, so that's why we take this long time. So it's a good time also that I can explain more. So if you like the video anyway, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons down there. Comment if you have any question or if you have any doubts in these techniques. I am welcome for anyone. So if you're interested in making an account, or if you don't have any trading account just yet, so you can click the link down below and create your own account. and try it on demo account right now for free. Nothing to lose. So that's it, guys. Bye bye.